About to drive the car in the first cold day of the year. Be a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, touchy. So let's get into this. First of all, y'all hear that thing. I don't know how this angle gonna work. It's my first time doing this angle right here. I don't know. We gonna try that out though, cause it's supposed to be like a wide angle. We gonna see. But yeah, man, we about to see what we about to get into. More than likely, today, probably gonna take a few pictures or something like that. But it's also Blueprint's birthday today, so we might be doing something with that too. So I'm about to go wash up the car, and I gotta go to the bank. Gotta run a few errands, but I haven't drove the car yet in a while. I actually got a cold start that I'm gonna show y'all too. But that being said, I don't know how crazy this thing gonna be getting. Let's turn everything. Sideways leaving out the complex. Oh boy, that's how we started. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't know it's gonna be spicy like that. Since I'm going this way, I might as well go hit the phone store. I gotta go check in on my phone. I want to get a new phone. So I gotta go check in on that. I didn't know he was gonna slide like that. The tire's cold. They gotta warm up. We're about to get a quick little pull in though. So, what you gonna say, man? Hands a little greasy. Just put the lotion on and all that good stuff. You know, so we about to go. Ooh, okay, never mind. We got Mr. Police Officer right there. Okay, I never seen one of those right there, ever. Like, I have never seen one of those right there. And he's messing up what I want to do. About doing that pull, we ain't doing, well, why was I just stuttering like that? But we not about to do that no more. But what I can do is we can still go to the phone store. Alright, y'all. So we left iPhones, well, not the iPhone store, but we just left my phone store. My man said ain't no iPhones in stock at all. sideways. I can't do a 40 right now. It's getting too sideways. It won't even allow me to do a 40, boy. Oh my God, we just spinning so much. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous how much we spinning. Dang, I see my tire marks. Oh my God. Dog. I left a nice tire mark on the street. That boy is like, oh boy. Boy, that line was at least 100 feet. I could see where I got swirly. It wasn't like that.